Hello guys, today we're going to go through all controls and the gestures on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. As you can see here, we've got the application. You don't really need the application to use all the gestures, but this is just to show you all controls and the gestures. So as you can see, here they are, earbud controls. You can disable or enable them here, but that doesn't really matter. Here, as you can see, we have media controls. Pinch to play and pause. Double pinch for the next track to skip the song that you're listening to right now. Triple pinch to go to the previous song, and swipe up or down to control the volume level. Here we have got pinch and hold controls, yet again that we can edit. If you tap on each, you can edit them, and as you can see here, we've got switch noise controls, which is active noise cancelling and ambient sound, and you can manage it active noise cancelling to adaptive to ambient sound or noise controls off. Here we've got Google, which is the Google Assistant, or the Spotify. The same is here on the right one. So, as you can see, yet here we have the call controls, and to answer call on the call end, just pinch, and as for declining the call, pinch and hold. These are the default values, and you can't edit them. You can just turn them off and turn them on. Only these two are adjustable. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.